How to make natural Viagra using only 2 ingredients. Hi, in this video we have 2 articles for you, enjoy. Viagra is a potent medicine for men. This medicine increases the sexual function and performance, and many people think that it is the only solution to these problems for many. However, you should know that now you can prepare a medicine similar to this one with even better effects in your own home. The homemade Viagra consists of ingredients with potent aphrodisiac effects. All of these ingredients are available in the grocery stores. This is the way in which you should prepare it. Ingredients: freshly squeezed lemon juice. Watermelon. Watermelon is rich in nutrients significant for your health. These nutrients include lycopene and citrulline, which have powerful aphrodisiac properties and improve your performance in bed. When you consume this natural Viagra, you should reduce the intake of salt, sugar or other flavors which lower the potent effects of these ingredients. Preparation: cut the watermelon in tiny pieces. Blend the pieces of watermelon until you get watermelon juice, about 1 liter of it. Put the juice in a pot and boil it for several minutes. Add the lemon juice to the watermelon juice. Mix the juices well and boil until the whole amount reduces to a half. Let the mixture aside for an hour, so that it cools down. Pour the juice in a clean glass bottle. Put the bottle in the fridge. Consume any amount of this drink, starting from 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of a cup. This drink is consumed in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening. Consume this drink on a regular basis. Pretty soon, you will notice that your potency and your sexual performance have improved. The drink can be consumed by people of all ages and both sexes. Article 2 below. How to make natural Viagra using only 2 ingredients. Watermelon is one of the world's healthiest foods and certainly our favorite dessert during the hot summer nights. However, this delicious fruit can also be the perfect pleasure-inducing food. According to Italian scientists, watermelon juice is the nature's Viagra that can boost the libido naturally in men who have mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. A study published in the journal Urology found that citrulline, the amino acid found in watermelon, has the ability to improve the blood flow to the penis without the side effects of Viagra. Watermelon is made up of 92% water, and it is an excellent source of vitamin C. Moreover, it contains only 71 calories per serving, which makes it the perfect food for people who want to lose weight and for those who fight impotence. A number of men have used this recipe as a natural substitute for Viagra. What you need: watermelon, pomegranate. Some people add lemon juice. Blender. Glass. Strainer. Use 1/4 watermelon, 1 pomegranate and the juice of 1 lemon. Mix all in a blender. You can strain the mixture if you want, but consuming the seeds can additionally stimulate erection. It is recommended that you consume 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of the cup of the juice in the early morning on an empty stomach, and before dinner. The amount depends on the body weight and size. This mixture contains natural chemicals that boost the blood flow to the intimate part and help for better performance and strength. This homemade Viagra can be used by people of all ages and genders. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for sharing your time with me, and here we have more videos for you to choose from. Have a nice day.